How to increase Yahoo Mail font size. If you want to make your Yahoo Mail font bigger for easier reading, follow this step to adjust the font size in the Yahoo Mail. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. You have to scroll down and choose Display and Brightness. In Display and Brightness section, you have to choose Text Size. You can either drag the slider to the right to increase the font size. To decrease your font size, you have to drag the slider to the left. And another option would be through accessibility. In this screen, you have to tab Display and Text Size. And you have to turn on the toggle of large text. Simply turn it on. And you can also increase the text size by sliding to right. Then open the Yahoo Mail app and the font size will be now bigger or smaller. And that's it. Now you know how to increase the font size in Yahoo Mail. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.